in the online course and the tutorials that we give away on our site, as in the podcast, the videos and all of that. Well, the main difference is that in the online course we have a system, we have a structure, and this ensures that our students improve much faster, much quicker. I'll quickly go over it. So in the online course, as you can see, not only do we have the schedule for classes, but we've got a full system here, a full list of tutorials to follow in order. So basically, you watch 2 or 3 tutorials, then you get an assignment, you get some work to do. You do that work, you email it to our teachers, our ex-IELTS examiners. They will look at your work and they will give you some feedback and then tell you to go and watch these videos, and you go and watch those specific videos, and then you do some more work, you write some essays, for example, and then send those essays into us. We review your essays, we give you some more feedback, we identify the errors that you didn't know that you were making, and then this enables you to improve much faster. We give you advice on how to solve these issues, and then we send your essays back with the advice and tell you to watch the next few videos, and so on and so forth. This goes on and on. Okay, and this is why we offer the guarantee of jump to band 7 or it's free, because we've got a system here, we've got a structure to follow. I'll go into the topics of these tutorials in a second. First of all, let's just have a look at the tutorials. So as you can see, all right, if we go to IELTSPodcast.com, we go to writing tutorials, academic task 2, for example. Right, academic task 2. Okay. Here, we've got examples of topic sentences. We've got band 7 essays, model essays, we've got cause and effects, essay topics. We go into a lot of detail in these tutorials. The main difference though is that if you followed all these tutorials, like if you did this one, then you did this one, then you did this one, it's going to be challenging for you as a self-study student to organize your learning process. It's going to be more challenging for you to improve. And a lot of this material is already in the course. For example, we've got a band 7 essay here with the comments. When you send in your essay, we're going to give you our comments. So here you're going to learn from somebody else's essay. On the course, you're going to learn from your own essays. This will speed up your improvement significantly. Also, where is it? We've got here on the side, sometimes we review band 9 essays, model essays, okay? Here, after each essay question we give you, you send us in your essay, we send your essay back with the feedback, telling you where to improve, what to improve, and how to improve it, but we also include a model essay. This speeds up the whole improvement process, and you'll just see it's a much quicker process. This is why we've got the guarantee of jump to band 7 or it's free. Even if you're at a band 7 now and you're aiming for an 8 or a 9, this course can still get you there, because we just identify the errors that you didn't even know you were making. Now, another example, okay, get ideas for task 2. That's fantastic, okay? This is a really good tutorial. However, on the course, we've got a similar one saying how to always get ideas, okay? And we teach you this after telling you how to build a paragraph around these ideas, you see? And then once we tell you how to always get ideas, we tell you how to sort of like build coherent paragraphs. So can you see, it's like always in structure. It's always sort of like we show you this and you can use it for this, and then we'll show you how to use these ideas in a paragraph. And then once you've got the idea of a paragraph, we'll ask you to write one, and then we'll ask you to send it in to us so we can look at it and then give you feedback. You see? So this is really good if you've got your exam coming up maybe in a few months, or you're just starting your preparation, or you just want to make use of the time that you've got on the train, for example, or when you're cooking or going for a walk or doing your sport, whatever. Whereas this is a more practical way to prepare. Here we've got the information structured. We give it to you when you need it. We also tell you what you need to do, and it's more personalized. It makes it much quicker. It makes it much easier. And also, yeah, this is where sort of like it's much more concentrated. It's much more concise. These we go into a lot more detail, but here we give you the overview. We ask you to use it. And this way we've found is much quicker, it's much faster. And once the student starts using these ideas, we quickly find that they obviously they excel much faster than having these minute detailed instructions delivered in a slightly more casual way. Just one last thing here as well, you've got the screen in front of you. These are videos rather than just audio, and all of this just makes it much more effective. So that's basically the overview. We are going to be renewing this course very soon. Oh, one last thing I forgot. We've also got online classes at the moment. 4 hours a week, 4 days a week, sorry. Different times for the students in different time zones. And here we go through new material. We can look at your essays. If you've got any questions, myself or another teacher will be there to ask you, and you've also got access to the IELTS forum here as well. So that's everything. If you've got any more questions, please just send us an email or ask us on one of the chat channels, Messenger and WeChat, whatever, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your IELTS preparation.